I wanna do like a little quick demo of a new tool that I'm using and my team is using, and I hope you could use too inside of ChatGPT. It's called Canvas. And for me, it's really helpful for content creation because it allows me to iterate in a more granular way. So I'm gonna do a screen share and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about, and then I'll show you another little secret thing that I really, or not secret, but a little thing that I also like. So I'm gonna go with my entire screen and I'm gonna open up a ChatGPT window and show you what I'm talking about. So inside of here, you've got tools, right, for Dolly, and then you have this one called Canvas. And so if I want to create, let's say I want to create a blog, create, I would usually create a title first, but I'll do a title and outline, and then I'll kind of do a little bit of, give it a little direction, and then watch what happens. Yeah, let's do blog and blog title. I'm going to do something really as a little bit tricky here. I'm going to actually do a web search while I'm at it here. So GPT Canvas. Make the title engaging, and I'm going to say tailor the outline. Tailor the outline. Give useful tips reader can use right away. We'll see if this search tool is working properly right now. This is a plugin that I haven't used for a while, so we'll just test it. And it's doing its work right now. It's possible that the actual the plugin part of it won't be happy about this. I am going to continue. Okay, unlocking the power of ChatGPT for Canvas. So it did do a search. Steps up by to creating compelling content. Okay. Introduction. Okay, so if I want to make sure that this is in Canvas. And maybe I don't like a section of it. Or actually, need some details. Details on bullet point 2. It'll start to do that. It'll start to give me the guide of this right on the spot, and it opens it up in this double window that you can see now. This is where Canvas gets kind of unlocked because I can do this. I can do the work now on either side of the screen. Expanded the section. So I'm going to say, please expand the other sections. And then it's going to do the work underneath me right here. See, it's redoing this. And so I'm able to see my work and and do this in a second in on the screen, which isn't so different from having the prompt on the bottom, but it's gonna be in a second. I promise you there's gonna be another thing with this. And as it does this, it'll expand. Oh, sometimes it says failed to edit and you just have to regenerate. See that? It says fails to edit right there. This is one of the things with ChatGPT, and then it'll fail to edit, and then it usually just does its thing on the next one. But I'm gonna show you something else too. Once this is done, if it fails to edit again, it's okay because this is a work in progress for ChatGPT, and it really does work well in practice. But right now we are on a live version of it, so yep, it's doing it right now. And then I will show you something else that's really cool. Okay, so let me show you something else that's really cool in here. I can actually change this here also by opening this in here. I can ask ChatGPT, expand this, and let's say in the process. So I was able to select a section. I could have actually changed the text too for what it was. And so creates this space for you to do live editing on the fly, but editing inside the chat GPT without having to copy and paste and all of that. It allows you to kind of to play in the inside your prompt, and you can see it's doing it right now. See this? Giving the user the actual process for this. And it just took that section that I done. Pretty cool, I think. So there's another really cool thing too. If we go back to the main screen here, I'm going to get out of here and I'm going to go back to my main chat GPT. So I'm going to get out of this. And there's this thing in here where you can take code or an image and you can recreate. I did this yesterday. I put a screenshot of my website in here and I asked it to create the code for it, and it actually did. And I was able to change items inside the site on in HTML that it created for me. It was pretty freaking awesome. So if you can see that this is the landing page that it created, and if I go in here, I can actually then do a preview. So I got to move this over. So if I want to do a preview, I can actually preview it. And let me just get in here and do that. And the problem is my screen share. I'm going to hide that. And I'm going to then preview. I should be able to preview it here because my preview screen is not here now. See that? That is a preview. Where is my preview screen? So this is one of the things. The inside here, if I go here, I can go to preview, and it will actually preview the code. So this is all here. If I want to change the button color, this is not exactly the thing because it's not. I haven't asked it to make the site responsive yet. But if I wanted to change this button to blue or to teal, I could just say, please make the start a conversation button teal. And so see that? It changed the wrong slide. So change is the button that says start a. Let's see if it does it. So the exciting part about this is that not that this one is already ready, it's that this is creating HTML. This is creating an actual website that can be used, um, and you can edit any part of it on the fly. So this is not just a mock-up, so to speak. This is actually a website. So for everybody that's been asking over the past few months if you can create a website using AI, you absolutely can, and you can decide based on images what you want it to do and how you want to do it. It's pretty awesome. So I encourage you, and this whole video was about encouraging you to get in and check out the Canvas function of ChatGPT because it'll help with a lot of things. And if you get like I got the failed button that you're going to get sometimes on this, it's right over here somewhere. Then all you need to do is just close out or just try again, and it will typically will do the process correctly on the second try. It is sort of a beta. It's not really a beta, but it sort of is in beta version still because it does not generate every time perfectly. Sort of like all AI, it doesn't do it perfectly every time. So you got to do it one more time and test it again and maybe adjust your prompt, and then you'll start to get the answers that you really love. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy your day. So I